The Legoland Florida Resort offers numerous hotel options, and inside the Legoland Hotel are rooms themed to the famous Lego Ninjago properties. Even the hallways leading to these rooms are decked out with ninja theming. In these rooms we have 3 beds and a separate kids area. The bathroom offers themed decor, a special shower curtain, and even Legoland themed soaps and shampoos. The Legoland Hotel has numerous themes from Ninjago to Adventures, Pirates, and Castle Kingdom rooms, as well as the Lego Movie rooms and Lego Friends. Anyone staying at the Legoland Hotel can also enjoy free breakfast buffet, a resort pool, nightly entertainment, character meets, and more. For the adults, there is a larger bed in the biggest area of the room with views of either the parking areas or looking out towards Lake Eloise. Inside each room are large Lego builds, a preview of what can be seen and enjoyed at the park. For the kids, there is a set of bunk beds and their own Lego building space, plus a TV. If you're trying to do a full Lego adventure from the second you wake up to the second you go to sleep and in between, check out the Legoland Hotel.